guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a sausage, gravy, and biscuit and egg casserole. But I'm going to tell you what you're going to need because you're going to have to get up and I'm going to have to get up here and do some things. You need a container of Grands Biscuit, the 8 ones. You need a pound of sausage. I'm using my last pound of wild boar. You need 6 eggs with half a cup of milk beaten up and some salt and pepper. And then you need to prepare a Sawmill gravy or some kind of white gravy mix. Alright, I'm going to get off here and brown my beef and get everything ready, and we'll bring you back for the next step.
And cheese.
Okay guys, first thing, preheat your oven to 350 and then get a 9x13 pan. Now you can spray it, but I can't use spray on these pans, so I buttered it. And open your biscuits and start laying them out. And then you want to sprinkle your sausage on top. Try and cover every biscuit. Then sprinkle some cheese, some shredded cheddar, or your choice. And then your eggs. And your gravy. Sprinkle a little bit more cheese on top, of course. And you want to pop this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. We'll bring you back. Alright guys, this is done. This looks really good. This is actually our supper. So alright, I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite breakfast for supper is. And give me a big thumbs up and share it out on your social media. Alright guys, supper's ready.